Director of the Year, and we really had a lot of nominations for this. We've narrowed it down to a lot still, and we'd like to thank Hayes first of all for sponsoring this award, and we'd like to invite up Rafał Żukowski to give this award away. So Rafał, come join us to give this award away, and you got a big list here.
So here are the nominees: Aleksandra Drobińska, BSc Real Estate Advisors; Tomasz Hoffman, Mainland Real Estate; Aleksander Żońca, Imuszon; Anna Gospodarek, BSc Real Estate Advisors; Anna Kowalska, BSc Real Estate Advisors; Anna Pajura, IMV; Ewa Karska, Carrefour; Joanna Bagińska, Epsys; Kamil Grazul, Savills; Małgorzata Kiliańska, Metro Properties; Mariusz Machnicki, EPP; Michał Tur, CBRE; Monika Magner, CBRE; Roman Bugajczyk, GTC; Teresa Kudrycka, Savills; Joram Reshev, Blue City; Małgorzata Schubert, Metro Properties.
So Rafał, thank you for helping us give this award away.
Good evening, thank you very much.
And sponsoring it. We wouldn't be able to do it without Hayes.
So Shopping Center Director of the Year is Ewa Karska from Carrefour.
Congratulations. Welcome to the stage. That was perfect, yeah. Please feel free to say a few words.
Przepraszam, że tak długo trwało, ale trochę daleko siedzę. I'm really surprised. After 17 years, it's really great. So thank you for trust. Thank you to jury. Thank you once again, and have a nice evening. Thanks.
Thank you, congratulations.
Come join us for a photo.